beetle went looking for honey. The beetle entered the flower garden. He stopped at a white flower, then moved to a pink flower. The beetle immediately entered the flower. The beetle came out after drinking its fill of honey. Then flew happily. Inside the house, Donald was putting up wallpaper.
Wow!
The beetle saw the wallpaper with a flower picture. Thinking it was a flower, the beetle approached the wallpaper and approached it repeatedly. He tried to land but fell. Donald, who saw it, laughed out loud. Donald lured the beetle with the flower wallpaper. When the beetle flew towards him, Donald pulled the wallpaper. The beetle fell into a bucket trap and stuck to the glue in the bucket. Donald laughed out loud. The beetle tried to fly until the glue pulled off. Since it didn't work, he tried again. Donald cut the glue. So, the beetle was thrown. It hit the lamp until it staggered.
Aww.
Donald flicked the beetle out the window. Donald put glue on the wallpaper again. The beetle entered again through the keyhole. It wanted to sting Donald, but it didn't succeed. It fell into the glue wallpaper. Donald then shook the wallpaper. The beetle still hadn't come off the glue. A tug of war ensued between the beetle and Donald. The beetle broke free from the glue. Donald was thrown upwards and got stuck on the ceiling. The beetle approached Donald. Donald gave up because his hands were bound by glue. The beetle then tried to sting Donald's butt. But Donald managed to dodge. The beetle prepared another attack. Donald was scared. He parried with a bottle cap. The beetle's stinger stuck in the bottle cap. Donald laughed out loud. The beetle tried to remove the bottle cap. The bottle cap came off, but it bounced against the wall and then stuck back in its stinger. The beetle had an idea. It put the bottle cap back into its bottle. Then it pulled away as hard as it could. The beetle broke free from the bottle cap. Donald started to worry.
Help me!
The sitting in the wallpaper. The beetle made a hole in the wallpaper until Donald's butt popped out. Then the beetle called out his friends. And told his friends to sting Donald. They lined up to sting Donald. Poor Donald.